Ayun, nag-restream na nga ako. There, I restreaming again for the second time around. There you go. I'm restreaming my stream because nag-blue screen na naman kanina. Oh my goodness. Nyari. Okay na. Naka-live pa rin ako eh. Okay. Okay na ba? Okay na pala eh. Okay, mukhang uubusin ko ang aking data na magkano.
Burning to get me. The feeling was mutual. He was trying to put out my flames with gasoline.
Tugig lang yung data ko natira dito. So, bali. Okay, teka lang. Pakinggan ko lang kung rinig yung boses ko. Okay na. Malinaw. USB mic kasi yung gamit ko. Grabe, nag-blue screen na naman. Nakala ko kanina doon sa HP na PC ko. Your device na naman is ano. Ginawa ko replay yun. Nung ano ba yun? Natuhog ko silang tatlo eh. 3 hook pala. Na-3 hook ko sila. Yung nakaraan. So, ewan ko kung nakita yun sa live stream. In-end stream ko na kasi. Dahil naubos yung data ko. Na-3 hook sila.
The mobsters have been guarding a real treasure. The way out of this disco inferno.
It's pain!
May boy ba?
Got him down!
Sayang data ko. Hindi pa ako kaan. bala ng baril. Pero, madali na yun. Makakakuha naman ako.
Vlad had seen my smoke signals. The Mercedes was revving to go, almost drowning out the Banshee well at the sirens.
Naglo-load
You
na lang
coming?
ako mamaya.
We'll drop you off at the Punchinello Manor.
Sounds good to me.
When this is over, look me up. I could use a professional like you.
I'll keep that in mind.
Carry pa.
The night groaned with cold. The garden lights flickered nervously. In their light, the falling snow was dead white before the darkness ate it up.
Bakit ganito yung ano?
I'd heard the stories. The trio were mad dogs. They'd have hung the heads of their enemies over the manor gates if the capo had only let them. Punchinello wanted pain. He'd see the pain. The trick in my situation was that there was no trick, no matter what the movies tell you. No rules, no secret mantra, no roadmap. It wasn't about how smart or how good you were. It was chaos and luck, and anyone who thought different was a fool. All you could do was to hang on madly, as long and as hard as you could. Someone had graciously left the back door open for me and killed the guards. My money was on Mona. I knew the trio would be standing between me and Punchinello. I had read their rap sheets, thick as phone books. No one would be walking out of here alive. The numbing cold of the broken night had followed me in. Upstairs, the trio tangoed down the manor halls to the silent rhythm of their murderous hearts. The blood of their victims rust on their lips. Vince Mugnano, Pilot Providence aka Big Brother, and Joe Deadpan Salem. The pistol was a frozen lump in my hand, piercing the skin, gnawing me to the bone.
Wala pa pala ako dun sa building na mataas. Pag nandun na ako sa building na mataas, malapit na tumatapos. Hindi ko lang maalala kasi. Pa-activate pa rin. Hindi na pala naka-activate yung cheat gags. Oh, sayang naman. Oh, Teddy. Dito, no? Ay, dito ako galing. Ano dito? Dito? Ay, hindi. Yun.
Someone get the guys from upstairs! No one's going in. Too late for that. We might as well get the credit for this kill.
Ha, galing. Hindi ba talaga gumawa ang Rockstar Games? Daming interaction. Naalala ko yung stage dito na Uncharted 4. Yung ano sa may mga alak-alak. Parang meron din yata sa ano to. Naalala ko sa James Bond. May ganitong stage din yata. May mga barrel ng alak.
Pilot, he's here!
It didn't take me long to run into the trio.
Why?
The word on Lisa Punchinello was that she was a bit of a witch. The tarot cards on the kitchen table fit the picture. They
Uy,
weren't my
notify
kind of cards,
Happy
but I
New
was
Year.
willing
Happy
to
New
take a
Year.
crack at the hand Mrs. Punchinello had dealt. The first card was the tower. Maybe that was supposed to be the manor.
Greetings.
It got easy after that. The devil was the master of the house, and death was me, coming for him.
1,400. Kasi hindi kasi mabasa yung ano. Hindi na mabasa yung tawag dito, yung pangalan. Ayan. Buti pa dito sa buti pa dito sa Dell Objects ko kahit 180 watts lang hindi na re-restart. Okay, trades.
1 down, 2 to go.
3 to go, 4 to go.
What the hell?
Ubus na yung data ko. Stable, no? Stable ng internet. Hindi kailangan gumastos pag may wifi na kami. May abot yung signal. May wifi extender. Ayaw na po. Sira na ba? Ay, naku. Tatapos ko na para di na nakikita. Alala ko. Sinapos ko to dati walang
Two down, 1 to go.
one to go.
Max Payne. No stopping him.
This will stop anything. Take cover.
Hey, what's up? Ayun, ayun. Ito, nag-take out ako ng blue screen kanina. Dun sa HP ko. Test ko, nag-blue screen na naman. Sapay na ako nga dito yung ano. Ang lakas ko dyan. Yan. Nag-blue screen na naman yung ano ko kanina. Yung sa HP na PC. Ito na tatapusin ko na. Magana na yung ano, yung cheat. Hindi na ako tinatablan. Blood. Blood. POL. Naka-cheat pa rin ako.
It was too late for her.
Who's that? Kadata ko, iuubusin ko na yung tubig ko.
Max
Try ko
Payne,
mag-unli mamaya.
Alfred Woden. You've got company.
Unli
An
libo.
armed helicopter just landed on the manor grounds. You must hurry.
The more the merrier.
Immortal. Oh, ready. Oh, blue screen. Nag-blue kanina. Your device is ano ba yun? Ganon. Kala ko hindi na magaganon eh kasi inano ko na sa mismong outlet. Wala, ganun pa rin. Diba kahapon nag-stream ako?
Punchinello's trio was done for.
Ngayon nagganon na kaya dito na lang ulit ako sa Dell Optiplex. Wow. Ang mahirap lang dito sa Dell Optiplex, hindi ko makabit yung ano,
Shut my door. Hurry.
webcam.
Coming for me. You gotta hurry. Please.
Pero pag
I
Xbox
could hear
360, walang
Punchinello on the phone
problema.
begging
Hindi
for
naman
help.
nagaan.
He should have been saying his goodbyes.
Tapusin ko na to, malapit naman din na matapos na eh. Oh, nangyari. Nawala yung ano, dialogue. Wow.
No, I told them not to.
Ah, dinablan ako. What? Dinablan? I-activate ko na naman. Oh, mali. Oh, bakit dito?
It was too late for her.
Dito.
Vince
Nag-lock ko
Mugnano.
ng trip. Thanks for sharing. Ano yun?
Punchinello's trio was done for.
Ayan na. Notify good nun, notify putukan na sa loob.
Outside my door. Hurry.
Saan ba? Sa bibig?
Coming for me. You gotta hurry. Please.
I could hear Punchinello on
Happy
the
New
phone
Year.
begging for help.
Lacson. Happy New Year din kay
He
Eric
should have
Saps.
been saying his goodbyes.
Kanga, tingnan ko nga.
Punchinello was a pushover. The moment I stepped into the room, he folded like a deuce before a royal flush.
No, wait. I was just doing what I was told. I couldn't refuse. She's someone high up. Government, maybe. I don't know.
He was trying to buy more sand for his hourglass. I wasn't selling any.
Nakakantok. Kagutom na, nakakantok.
No, I told them not to.
Ano yun? Balik ulit ako. Dapat post ko kagad. Malapit na yata mata. Oh, malapit na nga eh. Parang isang ano na lang eh. Diba pagdas na yung chapter 5. Parang isang ano na lang. Isang part na lang. Dito. Naka-cheat na ako eh. Ito, hindi na ako tiyata. Pero pagdating dun sa ano na yun. Yun sa yung pagtas ng comic strip
It was too
na
late for her.
nade-deactivate yung cheat. Pero hindi siya naglo-load dun sa ano. Hindi, ganito na lang.
Vince
Quick save ko na lang. Save state ko na lang.
Punchinello's trio was done for.
Yan, save state ko na lang dito.
Outside my door. Hurry. He's coming for me. You gotta hurry. Please.
I could hear Punchinello on the phone begging for help. He should have been saying his goodbyes. Punchinello was a pushover. The moment I stepped into the room, he folded like a deuce before a royal
Ang
flush.
problema ko kasi
No, wait.
dito,
I was just doing what I was told. I couldn't refuse.
pag
She's someone
sinave
high
state
up
ko to, hindi
government,
na
maybe.
gana
I don't
yung
know.
He was trying to buy more sand for his hourglass. I wasn't selling any.
Oo, kaya kailangan talaga ng cheat.
No, I told them not to.
Yan. L1, L1, L2, L2, R1, R1, R2, R2. Okay, sige. Balik-balik ang robot. La 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 la. Diba pwede mo lang. Balik ang lakad. Nako, ay, bumalik. Bumalik. Wala, hindi ako nakaganti. Hindi ako nakaganti sa kanila. Sila. Huwag ka na pumanti.
Drop it. Don't move.
Game over, Max Payne.
Anong game over? Naka-cheat ako. Game over.
I could tell when I was outgunned. It was time to take another beating. The mystery witch was a real barracuda. Trouble on dagger heels, a smoking
Tutok ka
assault
na.
rifle in her
Happy
hand,
New Year.
and an army of killer suits behind her.
How sweet.
Nakadata ako.
I get to
yung
kill two
wifi
birds
ko,
with one
nakakainis.
stone.
Sooner or later,
Yung
it was going to
maabot
catch up
dito
with
sa
you.
kwarto.
Mr. Payne,
Napakadami
it's time to show you the
sobra.
benefits of my brew.
Patapos
Be
na rin
a
ako
good
eh.
boy now.
Naalala ko to ang part na
You'd
to.
find that Lady Luck was really a hooker. You were fresh out of cash.
Sa Android ba may ano, may cheat code din ng Max Payne? Yung Android version. Kita ba yung mouse pag ay hindi yan. Wala kita yung mouse.
Gentlemen, we're done here. Take me to Cold Steel.
She had just given me an OD of Valkyr. I could feel
I-remake
green
daw to
fire
eh.
eating my
1 and
brains.
2. Max Payne 1 and 2.
They turned to steam.
Yung
They did a
3,
fade on me.
bakit hindi?
I'd never had a chance. The witch had got me just as sure as if she put a gun to my head and pulled the trigger. The shadows rushed me, bruised mugshot faces hungry for revenge. They knew my weak spots and closed in for the kill. The floor turned into a
Meron
vortex
mas
of
madali
green blood.
activate dun kasi modded.
I fell.
Sa Android kasi modded na dun.
Fallen angels.
Merong ano, ay parang na ano siya. Parang sabog siya dito. Merong Game Boy Advance version yata na ito. Parang may nakita akong Game Boy Advance
Who's there?
version eh.
Max?
Ayan.
Max? Is that you?
Ito na naman yung ma-horror-horror.
Max? Where are you? Max? Please.
Horror-horror na naman to.
No, please, Max, no. I'm sorry. Please don't, Max, no. Please.
Ito lang. Namadali ko na kasi yung data ko mauubos.
No,
lang
please, God, no.
Kasi ako naka-unli. Lagi hindi ko alam kung matatapos ko ito ngayon. Gusto ko nang tapusin ngayon para sa New Year. Hindi na ako mag-i-stream kahit kailan.
Max?
Meron na laro.
Where are you,
sa stream
Max?
Na
Please.
tatandaan ko nga ako na ano? Natadad nga ako ng restriction. Bakit? Yung Game Boy Advance version ito?
The letter was staring at me. The weird piece of paper looked dangerous.
Ay, hindi ko pinatapos.
There was something disturbingly familiar about the letter before me. The handwriting was all pretty curves.
You're in a computer game, Max.
The truth was a burning green crack through my brain, weapon statistics hanging in the air glimpsed out of the corner of my eye, endless repetition of the act of shooting, time slowing down to show off my moves, the paranoid feel of someone controlling my every step.
In-announce
I
nga
was
ni
in a
Sam Lake
computer
na
game.
i-remake
Funny
daw
as hell, it was the most horrible
Max
thing I could
Payne
think
1
of.
and 2. Tapos, ano pa ba? Control 2 yun. Kakaroon ng Control Part 2. Yung Alan Wake, hindi ko alam kung magkakaroon ng Part 3. Hindi na yung phone. Hello?
Don't lose it. It's Valk here. The drug. Snap out of it. Try to remember.
It was a bad line in a prank call. Someone spouting insane babble. I couldn't make sense of it. But I had an overwhelming sense of deja vu, and the caller's voice sounded oddly familiar.
Dahil sa ganyang mga dialogue na may drugs at sex na salita. Ay, oo. Oo nga, no. Wala, baka maano rin ako dito. Oo, kaya pala, tsaka yung mga GTA, no. Kaya ang hirap din mag-stream lang eh. Bukod sa ano, sa copyright ng music dahil sa sasakyan, may mga ano nga pala, yung language is not suitable for very young audience. Parental guidance is advised. Maximum Spider. JB Gamer ng JB Gamer. Welcome back sa stream. Yan na, horror na naman. Rockabye baby, rockabye. Rockabye. Rockabye baby, rockabye. On the treetops, when the wind blow, the baby will drop. Ay, ito na naman yung ano. I-save state ko nga muna. Pag nahuhulog-hulog, balik dun sa Maximum Spider, Rocket yung Max Payne. May sarili na namang language si JB. Okay, layo. Tatalon ako doon. Kita pa sa stream. Parang naging horror na naman. Hindi tanghali ko nilaro. Wait lang. Doon ako. Quick save. Save state. Parang medyo creepy din yan, lalo na nung first time ko nalaro dati. Kids pa ako. Ako late ko na nalaro to eh. 2016 yata. O 2016 yun. Laro. Kasi dun sa laptop kong ano, pag ano? Pag nag-cheat ako. Uy, ano kay Ray Q pastime. Welcome back to stream. Thanks for liking the live. Ayun lang, nag-cheat. Inactivate ko kasi yung cheat. Holy. Thanks for liking this again. Wala bang shortcut to? Ang play nito na. Yung unang, pangalawang ano na to eh. Pangalawang part na to na ganito eh. Yung unang part nito, ang creepy, grabe. Parang naglalaro ko ng horror. Pagtawid ko rito. Safe state para hindi safe state. Yan. Iyak pang baby. Yan. Alam nyo, pinipin. Pinipindot ko ayaw. Dapat sa kaliwa pala ako. Kaya mo na, diretso ko na. Pwedeng i-diretso to. Kasi baka magkamali ako ng ano. Naligtas na. Para mamulas. Wala ko i-website ko dito kasi baka mali. Ingay sa labas. Baka mali yung dinadaanan ko kasi. Wala daan. Teka, save ko nga. Save state. Matapos ito. Nakakabuisit nga yung sigaw eh, no? Pang New Year eh. Bagay yung sigaw na yun mamaya. Ayun. Exit na ba yun? Exit na yata yun. Teka, save state ko. Para sure. Makaulit ko eh. Umiiyak pang baby. Eh di parang etong part na to. Teka, wait. Itong part na to, parang ang hirap nito sa Android. Kaya ba to? Ayun, kaya pala. Hirap talaga pag cellphone ko nga eh. Tapos ganon, mahuhulog-hulog ka. Tapos ano pa, nakakatakot.
Max, something happened at the office today. A strange memo. Something about Vikings.
Honey, I gotta run. You can tell me all about it this evening.
Have a nice day, darling.
The bullet holes were rubies on her chest, blood glowing on her ivory skin.
MB na lang tong
She was
data
so
ko.
beautiful.
Oras na.
The killer was smiling. The flesh of fallen angels.
Max Payne, a bit closer. I just wanna be close. Oh, yeah.
Slowly, the green nightmare faded, leaving dark stains on my soul that would never come off. I felt like flatlining. I was all shook up. I woke up in a cold sweat, sick and tired to the bone, lying in a puddle of my own puke. The hag had said take me to Cold Steel before it had all gone crazy. It was a clue. The only one I had.
26 shots umaba.
It took me forever to crawl back to my feet and hit the road, but when I did, I drove straight to Cold Steel Foundry outside the city. There was a whole lot of action around the place for a freezing winter night. Trucks coming and going, men running. I had the drop on the mystery witch. She thought I was dead. I was on her blind side. I was going in.
Para mamaya kasi yan sila.
The bad trip had put me in a crazy mood, adrenaline pumping through my aching veins. Staggering on the mill roof in ice and snow and wild wind, I was a ninja. My kung fu was strong. I wasn't hitting anybody. At best, I was Superman on Kryptonite about to fall through a skylight, down to where it was all going down. A half-abandoned industrial area in the middle of nowhere. The factory was a perfect front for any number of illegal activities.
Ay, Finland yata yan. Taga Finland siya eh. Hindi siya magaling mag-English.
In the belly of the plant, molten metal boiled and bubbled like a witch's brew.
May accent. Sobrang strong ng accent. Ending yan. Oh, yung helicopter. Yun yung ano eh. Yung sa rooftop. Yung sa rooftop yung ending nito eh. Pag umabot na ako dun sa ano, dun sa building na mataas, malapit na yung ending nun. Sa rooftop yun eh. Naalala ko. Parang gabi-gabi. Pag-gabi na siya. Ay, teka. Activate cheat. L1. Ay, mali. Ulit. L1, L1, L2, L2, R1, R1, R2, R2. Okay. Nawala rin pala lahat ng pinto. Yun yun, sa helicopter yun. Tama ka. Sa rooftop.
In the city's history, vehicles stuck in snow. Heavy snowfall. Forecast shows.
Meron pa dito yung basta pag-akit mo ng
Out of the
building
night,
na
snow fell like confetti over the Devil's
mataas na
Parade.
building.
The storm was anything but
Parang
over.
may kulto. Malayo-layo pa pala to. Wala pa dun sa building na ano, yung magandang ano, parang 5-star hotel. Akyat ka pa talaga. Ingay sa amin. Rinig ba dyan? Lakas no? Parang may nagbabaputok eh. Ano yun yung open map flare sa motor? Oo nga eh, angas nga ang story nito. Yung part 2 nito hindi ko pa nalalaro eh. 2 and 3. Yung 3 meron sa Xbox 360. nalalaro yung part 2 nito eh. Pero meron din yata sa PS2. Sana may cheat. May cheat din. Yung part 3 wala na yata cheat yun. Ewan ko kung sa PC version baka meron. Pero sa Xbox 360 ko lalaroin kasi. Baka wala na sa Xbox 360 cheat.
Search and destroy.
Next mo din ba yung sequel? Oo, tatry ko yung download yun. Part 2. Hindi ko alam kung i-cheat ko rin. Pero pag nahirapan ako sana meron. Sana may cheat din. Pero tinignan ko sa Google may cheat code siya eh. Kaso parang ang hirap gawin. Dire-diretso. na ano yun. Part 3 na pala eh. Patapos na. Part 3 na to eh. Konti lang po, konti lang yung ano ng part 3. Sabi tinatablan na tinatablan na naman. Activate L1, L1, L2, L2, R1, R1, R2, R2. Speedrun na yun.
The folder on the table told a grim tale. The mercenaries were running a tight operation, paperwork and all.
Merchandise missing again. A chemist had tried to smuggle it out for his own private party. Locked him up in cell B7 in D6's old test facility to wait for proper processing.
I was close enough to hear the secrets, just beyond the next doorway.
Hindi na mag-i-street card kailan. Kakayan na. Na lang sabay. Bait na no? Hindi ako inano. Nag-usap lang. Okay. Wala akong ginagawa. Tinesting ko lang. Tinesting ko lang kung tatablan siya. Nakalimutan ko. Dito ba? Hindi. Baka doon. Ba't di ka binabanatan? Ewan ko nga dun. Baka crush ako nun. Baka may gusto sa akin. Ito, binabanatan. Baka ito yung kanina. Hindi. Iba yung mukha. Iba yung mukha. Hindi, di yan. Iba yung mukha. Okay, tayo. abot. Hindi abot. Wala bang tutulak dito? Tulungan mo ako. Tayo. Gagawin dito. Ilang paray ka lang. Tulak mo siya. No, walk through. I'll walk through, remember. Paano na? Ay, gagi na ba? Aray mo pa. Tulungan ko na lang yung mga kapatid. Nahirapan din ako makit eh. Ang hirap po makit eh. Sila ng reward. Ano pa yung reward? Kasi masyado ng taglamig na yun, kaya kailangan yung mainitan. Baseball bat. Pala may pakampas pala ako.
The monitor showed me the way.
Nagtitrip eh.
Processing diagrams filled the control room screens, all but one.
Tas inisip
An
ko
elevator
pala,
titled D6 on one of the screens. Somewhere onwards,
mas
zeros
madaling
above
akyata.
it.
Ako hindi ko na nga maalala to eh. Itong part na to. Bakit ako tinatablan? Hindi pala permanent. Wala to. Nag-cutscene lang saglit na wala na yung effect. Oh. Ano to? Hindi lumalab yung kit. Wala yung effect. Na-expire na na-expire. May expiration. Isa pa? Pindutin ko pa. Saan yun dito? Ay nako. Alt 130 na. Tayo kumana ng elevator. Hindi na makalabas eh. Kailangan ko na doon sa 20 pa friends. Tensya na. Hindi ako makaproceed. Kailangan ko talagang patayin si friend. Ay nako. Final Revelation, Chapter 3. Patapos na. Paakyat na to. Ito na yata.
I had taken on the role of the mythic detective, Bogart as Marlowe, or as Sam Spade going after the Maltese Falcon to unravel all the mysteries.
But chill lang. Walang pressure.
Following a path of clues to that final revelation, even if it would take me down to the cold, cavernous depths of a grave.
Chill lang. No pressure.
You can't do this! My men are still inside!
Do you have any idea why this is called Operation Deadeyes?
I think he's dead already.
Let's do it.
Attention all personnel. The self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Evacuate the complex
We've got
immediately. Repeat. The self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately.
Ay, tinablan. Tinablan bigla. Ulit. Masyadong confident. Wala nang pala yung effect. Kasi nagbagong chapter na kasi, nagbagong na stage.
I had taken on the role of the... Following a path of clues to the final revelation, even if it would take me down to the cold, cavernous depths of a grave.
Nategi nung gags.
You can't do this! My men are still inside!
Do you have any idea why this is called Operation Deadeyes?
I think he's dead already.
Let's do it.
Ibig sabihin dati wala pang skin weights.
Attention all personnel. The self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Evacuate the complex immediately. Repeat. The self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately.
Okay na. L1, L2, L2, R1, R1, R2, R2. Okay na. Nandito sa pinapala sila.
Attention all personnel. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately.
Sundan nyo ako. Alam kong napilitan lang kayo. Mga biktima rin kayo. Alam ko. Tara, come on. Take it. Ang ingay nung ano na. Nire-ready nila kasi para mamaya. Kawawa naman yung mga terorista na yun. Teka, baka nawala na naman yata ng effect yung ano. Para sure nawala naman yata yung
The chemist had been using the workstation when he died. The half-life of the lab rat had ended online, his password blinking on the screen. 665. Neighbor of the beast.
Dito yata yun, naalala ko.
Attention all personnel. The self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Decontamination in progress. Decontamination completed.
Magagawin ko. Tinapla. Tinapla ng apoy. Tinapla ng apoy. Akala ko naka-activate na. Hindi ko kasi alam kung ma-activate ba or what.
The chemist had been using the workstation when he died. The half-life of the lab rat had ended online, his password blinking on the screen. 665. The neighbor of the beast.
Decontamination in progress. Self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Decontamination completed.
Dito na yun, diba? Tapos, ito, wala. Wala. Ay, nako. Wala. Yan. Si-save state ko para sigurado.
The self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately.
Lechon de leche. Ah, nangyari. Tara. Lakas na tayo dito. Nagkataw dyan. Ay, may that's later. Mga kakosa natin.
Attention all personnel. The self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately.
Rinig dyan sa stream. Rinig pa sa stream yung ano.
Hey! In here! Hey! Get me out of here! I'm innocent!
Wait. Nasa kanya yung 665 yata.
Thanks! I thought I was gonna die in there for sure.
I need you to get me through the decontamination chamber airlock.
You're crazy! No way! The place is blowing up, for Christ's sakes!
Either that or back to the cell. Your choice.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Okay na.
Attention all personnel. The self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately.
Gagi, wait.
Pressure is too much. It sunk down to their level. It wasn't worth it.
Poprotektahan pala. Paano to yung ano nito? Wait, save ko ba? I-load state ko na lang. Layo pa yata na ito. State na lang.
Like everything else in the Valkyrie case, the door code was a mystery to me.
Has been initiated. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately.
Dito. Ito may kailangan na iligtas rito eh.
Hey! In here! Hey! Thanks! I thought I was gonna die in there for sure.
I need you to get me through the decontamination chamber airlock.
You're crazy! No way! The place is blowing up, for Christ's sakes!
Either that or back to the cell. Your choice.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Paano yung ano rito? Kawawa naman yung sarili.
Attention all personnel. The self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately.
Teka. Para sure. Kailangan kong barilin yung mga friends ko. Sayang, kawawa na. Mga friends, pasensya na. Kawawa naman mga friends ko. Ayaw umalis nung isa, busy niya dyan.
Get in! I'll punch you through!
After this, you can go. You're a free man.
Decontamination in progress.
We did a bad thing. Bad.
Yan.
Decontamination.
Oh. Decontamination naked. Nangyari.
Move it! Let's go!
Ano yan? Hindi ako makadaan.
dagger-heeled woman had come and gone a long time ago. There was nothing more for me here. The bunker's name was acting as a self-fulfilling prophecy.
Self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Proceed to the nearest exit.
Sakit sa mata.
Self-destruction imminent. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, attention all persons, 7, the self-destruction sequence has been initiated. 4, proceed to the nearest exit. 2, immediately. 1, commence.
Ano yan? Game over. Yan na. Ending na. Game over. Ah, mukhang...
I was caught in the pit. One of the last terminals had the project logo on the screen.
Ayun pala.
Top secret. Project Valhalla. U.S. Army. Yggdrasil Network. Valhalla. The otherworldly place in Norse mythology where the bravest heroes spent their afterlife feasting and fighting forever. Their wounds miraculously healed night after night. Valkyr. The maidens who chose the most courageous Viking warriors and carried them to Valhalla. 1991. The research objective is to create a chemical substance to enhance the stamina and morale of infantry troops. 1995. Results unsatisfactory. Project cancelled.
Someone had decided to continue the sick experiment unauthorized.
Project compromised. Data leak. Fix the damage by any means necessary. Security clearance red. Authorized by the project lead. Field test. Double the dosage for all the remaining test subjects.
Okay.
Observe and record the subject's behavior in an urban setting.
The drop-off point was my old address in New Jersey. The file dated 3 years ago. Just when you thought you had reached the deepest depths of horror, it suddenly got worse. How to turn off that small voice inside your head that started to whisper that you should be glad that now, if not before, your revenge was justifiable on any conceivable moral scale. That small voice proved, beyond any doubt, that I was damned. The dagger-heeled woman had come and gone a long time ago. There was nothing more for me here. The bunker's name was acting as a self-fulfilling prophecy.
Ano mangyayari?
Self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately.
Quick thing. Self-destruction imminent. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, commence. Wala. Failed. Failed siya. Hindi ko maalala pero kailangan mo Oo nga eh. Alam ko kailangan makalabas din dito eh. Hindi kaya may pipindutin or something.
Go, 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 go!
I was caught in the middle of a deadly valve. One of the lab terminals had the project logo on the screen. The dagger-heeled woman had come and gone a long time ago. There was nothing more for me here. The bunker's name was acting as a self-fulfilling prophecy.
Ano daw? Ito. May laser. Tapos dito. Save state. Save state. Ay, gag.
Attention all personnel. The self-destruction sequence has been initiated.
Ito.
Proceed to the nearest
Ito.
exit immediately.
Pa may kukunin dito. Wala ba? Pa may babalik. Or baka kasi may kailangan gawin dun eh. Na-save state ko ba?
Attention all personnel. The self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately.
Dito? Wala eh. Nakalimutan ko na ano, tawag doon, walkthrough na lang. Lapit na sumabog. Sumabog.
Attention all personnel. The self-destruction
Kaya nga
sequence
eh.
has been initiated. Proceed to the nearest
Paano yan?
exit
Hindi ko
immediately.
alam. Baka dito. Naka-save state naman. Ayun siya oh. Wala na eh. Wala nang maano dito eh. Ito na yung pinakadulo. Todo na. Wala nang makukuha. Kalimutan ko na to kasi. Alam ko may gagawin dun eh.
Attention all personnel. The self-destruction sequence has been initiated. Proceed to the nearest exit immediately.
Wala. Walkthrough mo na. Di ano yun, di idea or code sa PC. Kaya nga, walkthrough na natin. Asan na? YouTube.
Attention all personnel. The self-destruction sequence has been initiated.
I-save
Proceed
state
to the
ko
nearest
rito.
exit immediately.
Save state ko rito. Tapos pagka ano pa, i-walkthrough ko na. Ay gag. Yan o. Kasi makukulong siya dyan.
Decontamination. Self-destruction imminent. 30, 29, 28, 27.
wala. Naubos yung data. Naubos yung data. Ay na nga, na-trap na nga. So, load state ko na lang. Okay, load state. Yan, simula rito, magka-countdown siya.
Self-destruction imminent. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 17, 14, 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, proceed to the nearest 6 immediately. 5, 4, 3,
Action stop. Wala, mukhang di talaga kaya itong tapusin ngayon.
Piece together a jigsaw, and the final picture is you finishing that
Sorry,
same
nawala yung
puzzle.
data ko
A mad,
kanina.
green-eyed killer standing behind you. An urban legend come true. The Project Valhalla test subjects had been the mad junkies who had murdered my loved ones.
Also,
The
you
rest
can
was
now
simple body
enjoy
count math.
RP5G
It all
non-stop
pointed to
data
her.
for SCVG.
Ms. Valkyr. The factory went up in a
7
fiery
days.
inferno behind me. All my leads were dead, turned to smoke and dust. I'd lost my way. I hadn't slept in a million years.
Ang gastos.
I felt thin as death. I've been living on an endless supply of week-old donuts. They were fuel for this crazy furnace inside my head. I couldn't remember when I had last seen the sun. I was on a permanent graveyard shift. When the darkness fell, New York City became something else, any old Sinatra song notwithstanding. Bad things happened in the night, on the streets of that other city, Noir York City. I was in an all-night diner, downing cup after cup of coffee that tasted like engine oil, when a new message from BB got me back on the killer track.
What the hell happened at Roscoe Street? Maxie, I'm going out on a limb here. We need to talk this through, come up with a plan. 2:30 a.m., the Choir Communications Garage.
The more I thought about Alex's murder and the frame-up, the more it felt like an inside job. I should have seen it coming. BB had sold me out, and now he wanted to finish what he'd started. The garage was dead. BB showed up in his tailor-made suit, gold watch, and cufflinks to match, all way beyond a cop's pay.
Maxie.
Oozing suave charm, he was guilty as hell. What the hell does BB stand for anyway? Backstabbing bastard?
Come on, don't be like that. Have a cigar.
I don't smoke.
Maxie, you have no idea how big this is. It's huge. You have no idea.
I think I do. You're a bribe-taking bent cop who sold out his partner. Those mobsters in the subway were a dead giveaway. Hard to miss. Bet it was exactly like this with Alex. Up close and personal.
You can't win this one, Max.
No, but I can make damn sure none of you do either. BB turned out to be another cardboard cutout bad guy.
Pala, dahil maliligo ako kasi nahabol ko. Wala akong mapagsasampayan ng tuwalya kung kailan nag-aandi na yan. Ayan na, patapos na.
Bad cop on the take. A cowardly right-hand man fleeing from the scene, leaving his paid thugs to do his dirty work.